Hello everybody, this is Shivan Chinifasan and here's my second video on some more computer tricks. And this is a trick on how to save Microsoft Word document. This is for people who are new in using Microsoft Word. So let's take an example from my doc. I'm just gonna click on one. So this is Word Office 2019. Okay, we'll just wait for the document to load. Okay, as you can see, it's loaded. And then you just click here, and then if you want to save it, you can click file and then save as. I recommend save as because it shows you like where you want to save your Word document. Okay, save as, and then it will save in here. Since I'm using Windows 10, it will automatically be displayed here. So you want to save it to this PC or in desktop or downloads. Let's try desktop. Disclaimer, this is only for Windows 10 user, but for Windows I think 7 and 8, it will usually, when you click file and then save as, it will automatically just show up this. But if in Windows 10 you click save as and then you select from one of them. So I'm just gonna select desktop. Then for example, I want to save it inside here, so I'll just click save. And then obviously my file is there already because I've saved my work, but this is just a tutorial on how to save my work, how to save your work in Microsoft Word 2019, apparently it says. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also check out my computer trick videos, as they might be useful for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you around.